All right, well, let's take a look at Columbia Sportswear Company, symbol COM or COLM. They're in the industry of apparel manufacturing. That's the one. All right. Oh my gosh, Chase, short is 13.6%. That's not very good. Institutional ownership 56.6%. That is low. You do have a good PE ratio though on Columbia Sportswear, 16.6 versus 21.4. Price of sales 1.1. That's the same as the industry. Price to book value is 2 versus 2.7. And then price to cash flow 10.4 with a PEG ratio of 1.0. Happy with that. Now, looking at the growth on the earnings over the last year, not very good. 3.8% versus 23% for the industry. Sales were down 0.3%, but the industry is down 8.9%. Analysts on the 5 year, they expect this to change because they say a 5 year earnings per share growth estimate is 21.9%, while the industry is a negative 3.6. So something about the sportswear, Columbia Sportswear, things may be looking bright in the future here. I do see they pay a decent dividend, 1.9%, usually 31% of the earnings to pay that out. Taking a look at the balance sheet, current ratio, very good, 3.1 versus 2.0, so they got a lot of liquidity there. Not much debt, 0.3 versus 2.2, that's a big positive. Intangible assets are low, 3.9 versus 14.1. Net profit margin 6.6 versus 4.5. Return on equity 13.1. Not quite as good as the industry at 20.8. And free cash flow 292 million versus 716 million for the industry. So I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing here. But again, well, let's see what you